Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B investing in BI, and we're taking a look at Blueshift. And I noticed something. We've got like a $950,000 drop in TVL according to the protocol. I'm not noticing anything like changing as far as like the targets and the weights. So I'm assuming it is because of the multi-chain index is what I'm assuming. They had some kind of hack and lost a bunch of money. And I noticed that they had multi-chain or multi. There's a multi. We just clicked on it, I think. Yeah, multi-chain index. We got a multi-chain index. Let's look at it on the invest. Multi-chain index here. It says it's got 121,000 in liquidity, about 500,000 ADA. The shares and the target. So target and shares. So you would be taking these tokens. You take when the share is above the target, and you don't deposit when the share is above the target. You deposit when the share is below the target, and you can take the tokens that the share is above the target is what I am beginning to understand. So in this, you would be able to take milk with no impermanent loss. You would be able to take blues, and that's it. So you would be depositing your assets here, and you would be taking milk ADA and blues if you wanted to remove liquidity. So I'm starting to learn. But I just wanted to kind of make a video real quick to just kind of show some things. Maybe, I guess it's kind of asking a question. What's going on? What happened? What changed? Because we're trying to understand how this all works. We have 1 million in TVL, and the price of the token hasn't dropped. Like it so it's kind of weird. I'm expecting it to. Let's take a look. Blues. You would expect it to if the token is really important to the protocol, and there was a big drop in TVL. Wouldn't that affect the token price? Could we be looking at a drop in token price for blues tomorrow when people wake up? I don't know. I am not worried about it. I'm not going to sell the tokens that I have. I would buy more if the price dropped. I'd be able to get even more tokens, so I'd be happy with that. And I could withdraw multi SNX from 64. I'd get my monies and I'd walk. My no fee limit, 145. So yeah, as long as I don't go over that, as far as my liquidity, I'm okay. I shouldn't lose any money, unless there's some kind of crazy market conditions that happen, where again TVL drops to nothing, or it pumps and people find out about blues and the cross chain swaps and start diving in. If that happens, then I would expect an increase, maybe a decrease in APRs. But what I did notice is that the APR for the blues portfolio, the Blueshift index, the APR is going nuts right now, and I don't understand how that makes any sense. But I might swap some blues tokens and just see what the heck happens. I'm literally gonna, or maybe we should pull a little and move it over to the index, the Blueshift index. I don't know, or maybe we just play with the change. Look at the multiplier. This was not, the APR was not this much yesterday. Get ALP tokens. So Oh, the shares are off. Share is over. We're under on blues. So I can deposit blues. And then I would take ADA as the, if I removed. Let's just test it out and see. So we can swap. Let's swap. Get like 22 blues tokens. Let's make it 20. Will it be worth our while? Let's see what look at the fee. The liquidity provider fee is like nothing. It's like dust. 0.01 milk ADA. That's why this stuff's so awesome. Price impact is nothing. I'm sure the gas is going to be next to nothing too. Where's my ledger? Oh, there it is. All right, so shall we just do this, I guess? Connect up my ledger. Put my PIN code in. And we'll do Ethereum. And swap. And let's see. Maximum fee, 0. So we're looking at 0.04 ADA for that to happen. I can confirm. And we'll review the transaction. Accept and send. It's swapping. Let's take a look and see how much that's going to be. So 1 penny is what it cost to swap those tokens. So we have about 20 blues tokens. I'm going to look to do maybe single-sided if we can. Blues token index, okay. Maximum, approve. Approve, review the transaction. Accept. Complete. Provide liquidity. These are the steps that make it difficult to use because it's kind of weird and wonky. Like you have to, press the button, then you have to, approve a transaction, and then confirm it on your ledger if you're using one, or re-enter your password. There's just all these steps to do one thing. So to do one thing, you have to approve a number of different contracts, and then see, like we hit that, and then we've got to do another one, and you confirm, and then you got to review a transaction on your ledger. And there were a few moments when, and you can probably see in the videos that I've done so far, there are moments where I kind of brain fart and I might stop short of completing a process by accident and not realize it, and then get confused at what's going on and what I'm looking at on my dashboard. So it's an interesting thing. But the percentages in the Cardano index are extremely high. I don't know if it's a typo or what. But yeah. No, I didn't want to take them out. Max. Harvest, get tokens. You staked 27 LP tokens and it's worth about 98 cents. So Blues tokens. About $1. So yeah, you get about $1 in LP token value. So hopefully, you know, the markets aren't crazy and we can keep the value of our tokens and we can move up. We can move upward. We can make, as the yield pools, those are the, I want to look at the portfolios. Look at the Cardano. No, the Blues index is what I needed to look at. And this is what I don't understand. Because here, it's saying I don't have anything. It's like your deposits. Current value of your deposit funds in this portfolio. So I'm not in that portfolio. Your share of the portfolio. It's saying I don't have a share of the portfolio. Add liquidity. Withdraw. Add liquidity. Oh, this might be different. You know, for the sake of experimentation, maybe I shouldn't have deposited that into the farming. I should have probably done it in that other menu. Let's do that. I'm learning. I don't really know how to use it. I mean, I have a basic understanding of it, but the inner workings is what we're working through here. So I think I want to go here. Okay, so it's saying that I'm earning. It's saying get LP tokens. Withdraw. Max. Max. Unstake. Max. So it's going to cost me like a fraction of a penny, but it doesn't matter. Got to review the transaction. I want to see if this is different, as if this is a different experience. If I go through the other menu, if I can remember how to get back to it. I've been clicking. I feel like I've been clicking all over the place. Okay, so I unstake those LP tokens. Let's go to portfolios. Let's go to Cardano index. No, it's Blues index. Blues index. Your deposits. Now it's showing your share. Add liquidity. This is, I don't get it. It's not US, it's not Blues. I'll probably need Blues tokens. So unstake. Got earnings there. Unstake, already unstaked. Withdraw. Blueshift index. Okay. So I'm going to lose like 50 cents. Is that what's happening? No. $0.97. Okay. Yeah, I'll lose a few pennies. So I'm learning though. So what we've learned is this is good. This is really good. So we go to the farm. We were in the Blueshift index. So let's click on the portfolio, Blueshift. Click. These are the two tokens. This is the base token. You can deposit either ADA or Blues. The interest on this thing is big time. And I just knocked my cable out of my headphones. The interest is massive, but here's the thing. There's a share of the pool and there's a target for each asset. And if you click on the help, it says the share of the tokens in this portfolio. So this is 45.71% of the portfolio, and Blues is the remaining for a total of 100%. There's targets. If add liquidity in one token without losses when its share is less than its target weight, as well as withdraw in one token without losses when the share is greater than the target weight. So if this is over this, you don't lose money. If this is over this, you don't lose money. But here's the thing. If it's under, you lose. And also, if it's over the target, then when you deposit, you get penalized. So it's kind of like you got to really look at it and see who's been putting money in, and maybe this person or whoever, this wallet's taking a big chunk of their stuff out, and now there's opportunity for you to sneak your assets in with no or very little price impact. So right now, this is over. It's 45.17, so it's over the target. So we're not going to deposit Milk ADA into this portfolio, at least if you're smart. Blues is just barely under the target. So this is the token that you want to put in there. And you want to, I want to add liquidity from this menu here. And then I should be able to add, whatever asset I wanted to add. And it's saying that I don't have provide within balances USD or Milk ADA. Using easy mode, enter the total amount of liquidity you want to provide and select the tokens you want to deposit. The smart algorithm will distribute the amount between them to minimize the loss. Can't provide this without a loss. So you'll have a price impact. So transaction losses greater than a penny, 0.3%. So that's a loss. You don't want to do that. So we'll close that. And what we want Blues tokens. So I need to swap, I think. No, I need to withdraw. So provided only withdraw, unstake, max, stake. So I don't understand how I can swap the LP tokens, get the token out of maybe from here, withdraw. Okay. Max. Approve LP tokens. So we're withdrawing. Gotta enter my. $27. View. Transaction fee. 0.002 ADA. Extremely small transaction. Okay. So I can withdraw them. Okay. See, again, that whole thing where it's like, do you always stop before you finish the whole process? It's super annoying. And approve again. Okay. So the APR are nutty. So that's why I want to see if it's worthwhile, see what's going on. So let's go ahead and try to do what we were trying to do. Add liquidity. Max. I got $1 in value. I don't have. I've not selected. You don't have this token. Okay, then I need to buy it then, right? So let's close this. Let's swap. Back again. Wait, so am I going to make money? That would be hilarious. Or am I losing? I might have lost an ADA. Not gained it. Did I? No, I said let's do 20. Oh, let's do 20. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know. That's weird. Always pay attention. 0% price impact. Maximum sold. Swap. It's just so amazing. These transactions are nothing. If we would have made that mistake on Cardano, it would have cost us like $1, not a penny. Our mistake cost us like a penny. On Cardano would have cost like $2. Confirm. I got to review another transaction. Confirm. Failed. That happened before. I'll do it again. It should be okay. I just want to do 20. Swap. Oh, did I swap already? Oh, I already have it. I'm such a goofball. Yeah, portfolios. We want to do the blues index. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh. People are probably like depositing tokens in it. Like, dude. Max. No, I don't want to split it. Transaction loss. Can't provide without law. Okay. It'll be minimal. Add liquidity. Max. Approve. Then approve on. So I don't know if we just undid and redid what we did or if we did something different, but it's a different way of doing it if we're not doing something different, and that should probably be addressed if that's the case. So we're adding the liquidity. We're going to be approving it. We got to approve a few different transactions. And if this is legit, and this is not some kind of mistake or an incorrect reading. So I've got 3.7 milk ADA. Got a little bit over $1. It shows my tokens here. And if I go to withdraw, I can say max and pull from milk ADA like we said before because of the targets. So whenever we pull liquidity currently with the targets the way that they work, we have to take our rewards in milk ADA, which I'm okay with. I can always just swap back to blues if I want to buy the blues in the open market. But this is really neat. I'm not even gonna lie. This is actually really cool. So I'm wondering, could you stake your ADA, right? You in native Cardano wallet, stake your ADA, bridge it, swap for blues, stake in this, get the rewards from this, and also get your staking rewards from the pool through Milkomeda. That's freaking cool. If that's the way it works, that's freaking cool. But this video is getting really long, and I don't want to hold you guys for like 30 minutes to an hour on these Blueshift videos because they are really nerdy and long-winded. And I understand if you are not interested, but there are people out there that are interested in this stuff, me included. It's cool, and I'm going to figure this out, and that's what we're going to do. So thank you for checking out the channel. Make sure you hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.